Yesterday, when I was young, the days of life were sweet as rain upon my tongue. Ideas of life as if it were a foolish game, the way an evening brings me daisy candle flame. The thousand dreams I dream, the splendid things I plan, I always felt to last on weekend shifting sun. I live by night and shun the naked light of day, and only now I see how the years run away. Yesterday, when I was young, there were so many songs were waiting to be sung. So many wild pleasures lay in store for me, and so much pain my dazzled eyes refuse to see. I run so fast the time I knew the last run out. I never stop to think what life is all about, and every conversation I can now recall concerned itself with me and nothing else at all. Yesterday, the moon was blue, and every crazy day brought something new to do. I used my magic haze as if it were a wand, and never saw the west and emptiness beyond. The game of love I played with arrogance and pride, and every flame I lit so quickly died. The friends I made all since somehow to drift away, and only now I'm left on stage to end the play. There are so many songs in me that won't be sung. I feel the better taste of tears upon my tongue. The time has come for me to pay for yesterday.